And I'd give up forever to touch you, 'cause I know that you feel me somehow. You're the closest to heaven that I'll ever be.
We are going to
and I
LA.
don't wanna go home right now. And all I can taste is this moment, and all I can breathe is your life. And sooner or later it's over. I just don't wanna miss you tonight, and I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand when everything's meant to be broken.
Do we get Edna? Do we get Carl? Edna? Carl. Edna? Carl, what do you say?
This one comes with a purpose.
Yeah, but this one comes with a bat. Which one do we get? Okay, we'll get both. Okay, alright. You're going home with me.
Can't fight the tears that ain't coming, or the moment of truth in your eyes. When everything feels like the movies, yeah, you bleed just to know you're alive. And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand when everything's meant to be broken. I just want you to know who I am. When everything's meant to be broken, I just want you to know who I am. I just want you to know who I am. Back when we were something, you tried but got nothing. And it's my bad that I had anyone other than you around. Back when we were something, but hear me out. Let me take you dancing again, up in the backseat, acting more than a friend. Remember the band played and then it rained. Oh, what I would do to feel it again, 'cause it felt too good back then. Back then we were something, something so good, baby. My head had me running, and it's my bad that I had anyone other than you around. Back when we were something, but hear me out. Let me take you dancing again, up in the backseat, acting more than a friend. Remember the band played and then it rained. Oh, what I would do to feel it again, 'cause it felt too good back then. 'Cause it felt too good back then. And if you ever come back to me,
in half a mile, turn right onto West Olympic Boulevard.
So
Action.
August 2, 2022.
2022.
2024, 2:20 p.m. We are going to take you behind the scenes of a No Leftovers Club collab with Limon Mediterranean Grill out here in the beautiful Enclave. You're panning too fast. But we're excited to take you along and kind of explain the whole process because I feel like no one knows, and frankly, no one probably cares, but we need the content. See you at Limon.
I don't think you can cover the camera.
2 steps in the wrong direction. No chance trying to make you move. Road trip trying to get past Destin. No way I'm gonna make it through.
He's doing his thing where he's taking pictures of the exterior, and then later we'll head on into the interior right now. It's a cute place. You can see this is where we're going. And we're going to the kitchen soon.
Guess fate's racing through. Hey girl, you can stay if you wanna. I don't wanna make you choose. Yeah, I learned that the hard way. I'd place that bet, that parlay. Is that a wrong way or a hard way? I gotta move quick, 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 quick. If one thing up, it's the heart rate. Got a letter on the jacket like I'm on state. Yeah, you in good hands like Allstate. What's a love like this, really what I think it is. If they're a love song, I'm singing it. Girl, I bet if we link and we click, it'd be something like the internet. 2 steps in the wrong direction. No chance trying to make you move. Road trip trying to get past.
So she basically does all the stories for No Leftovers Club. So I want everyone to comment. Vanessa is the best. Look, she's trying to hold back her smile right now.
Get the shot. Look at this sexy summer lunch.
Oh, I thought you were talking about me. Okay, get a video of it.
Other angle. He's getting the pics. Oh, why is it zooming in?
Ready for the gravy pour?
Yeah.
Gravy pour.
Now the best part is we get to eat it all.
Lord, thank you for this food. I'm nervous, they're watching me. Jesus, name me. If you like, subscribe, and follow us on our food blog, you are more than happy to join us. Well, no, we're gonna add you in the giveaway so we can filter to make sure we like the person. But like, comment. This is Vanessa right now.
So what are they trying to do?
So, if you comment on this video and comment on any of our posts on Instagram at @NoLeftovers_club, comment came from YouTube, you will be entered into a giveaway to join us at our next food adventure. Because obviously, this is way too much food for 2 people. So join us, big bags, as we explore the best food LA has to offer. That was so good.
I don't wanna make you choose. Why you walking when you say you wanna run? Why you lying when you say it's all love? Why you tell me that you waiting by the telly when I try to ring the telly, you ain't even pick it up? I thought you said you wanna love me like your Bible. Thought you said I get you high, no Eiffel. You like a bullet, baby, let me be your rifle. We could take a shot at the honky tonk, taking shots. Baby, tell me what you want. I don't wanna get it wrong for you. I'm always writing these songs for you. 2 steps in the wrong direction. No chance trying to make you move. Road trip trying to get past Destin. No way I'm gonna make it through. Both sides say hate them. Where am I supposed to be? Washed up, pushed out, or on my feet? Tell me, is this a dream? Or am I stuck in a movie scene? Lately, I'm spinning away so crazy. So baby, just take me. I think I'm gonna
Team update, Team D's, par, birdie. We got this part for you ahead of us now.
to you. I think I'm falling into you. I think I'm caught up in the wave of you. Oh, upside down, I'm
Yes, sir.
I'm done, bro.
Yep.
Yeah, just draw the thing. Draw that thing.
Josh clutched it. We got a birdie. Someone hit into us. Birdie time.
Hanging on to the words you say, but every time I listen, I just hear white noise. All I see are these flashing lights. Can't hold on while they're passing by. How many wrongs does it take to right? Doesn't care.
Don't attack it. If it feels endangered. They don't even see you. Colin's gonna go like, what?
It's okay.
Patrick, look at the tree, bro.
I think I'm caught up in the wave of you. Daily, lately, I'm spinning around so crazy. So baby,
Come on. Be it. Be it.
Oh my god.
Dang it. Little update for you. Team D's still 3 under. Caught a par in the last one. We're on hole 9 at Alondra Park. Someone got close. What is this? Birdie time?
This is for 500. You go first.
I'm done with putting it back.
Right here, back. Oh my gosh.
That's pretty good. That was good speed.
You're too far.
You got it?
What is it like in this cart? I like this cart better.
You want to switch?
Yeah, I think I want to switch.
Got 230 to the pin. I don't know if I can find it. There it is. 230 into the wind. These guys are slow. It's always the Asians. Did anyone make theirs? Nope. Oh shit. Oh my gosh, guys, we're not done yet. Serious? Why do I feel like there was a closer putt, guys? Oh shoot. Bro, make it, bro. Please. Are you fucking? Are we putting from here? This is for bar. Bro, that's the closest one. No, it's like right here. Wait, I put from here. Okay, go. This is for par. Straight, right? Yeah, straight. This is for par. If we miss, we bogey. Wait, you already went, Miles? Yeah. I thought it was easy. Thank goodness. Yes, sir. Oh my god. Hole 10. We're in 8-some now. Alright, we're good. Long Steve.
You see my shot, bro?
Oh, no.
I hit that! Bro, that was one of the purest strokes I've ever hit in my whole entire life, bro.
Okay, Colin.
We gotta go next hole.
Look, they just left their teammate.
used to chase all these options till I realized the only option I need is.
Yeah, we had -5.
That I messed up. I guess sorry just ain't enough. Wish that we could work it out.
Wait, I'm gonna put this in her. Alright, realistically, pre-mat would.
Oh shoot. Alright.
Relax, get over here. Relax, we need you.
It's 131. See it, man.
Sorry.
This guy. 5 at a time. Go, Pat. Oh, yeah. I didn't see it. We got your sister in the camera. Where you going? Fine, go. Just go. Commit. Come on, back up. Come on, back up, huh? Oh, please be good. Patty?
That's really good. That's really good.
Patty?
That's really good. You're good. All right, guys.
Last hole. Dude, what the heck? That's good. Oh my gosh!
Don't break it.
How'd you move that?
That's your dad's.
I got one. We put it 200 yards away for eagle. Okay? Here we go. That's good. Let's go. Ready?
I can't even see it. Can't even see it. Yeah, have your tea. I lost it.
I saw it. We're good.
Okay, we're good.
Let's go. Let's just drop.
Okay, don't worry. You'll see mine.
Let's go, Colin.
Let me hit this one. Pause the camera. Let me hit this one. If it hits your camera, I'm sorry.
Go.
Let me go. Where's my ball?
Huh? Where's Caden? Caden's
not gonna.
Why do you have a vlog?
Yo.
Yeah. Hey, I was stuck inside that grave a long time.
Max, it's Kuya Matt's birthday today, well tomorrow. But all your friends are gonna be here. You have anything to say to Kuya Matt? I love you, Kuya Matt. Love you. Love you, dog.
I'll never get used to this. I'll never get used to this. This is how I wanna live. Forever we'll be singing like walk about the graveyard. I'm a
Okay, I need everyone to say happy birthday, Matt. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Matt.
Max wants oxygen.
Let me teach you a little trick, Matt. Don't move until they say something.
We have to do, well, but we have to
It's not the top one.
Okay, so what's your first number?
Mix it up.
Number 1.
Number 2.
2! Oh my god. Okay. What are you guys? He's not gonna get it.
No, this is yours. You just need to.
This is
Okay,
a
you
20% chance.
draw. That's 1 to 1.
I'll tell you, you have a 5% view.
If you get 1
The odds are never in your favor.
Oh my god!
Are you serious?
Alright, game over.
No way! You're 25!
Oh my gosh, he's 25!
That's fine.
Take yards.
It's a 6. It's a 6.
A 16.
22! Wait, come on, stop it!
We're not reading happy birthday.
If you go outside the line.
Happy birthday, man!
Jay Max is underneath. I need to get the slipper.
Why is here? We said happy birthday here!
Oh, yeah.
We should be good now.
Okay, let's go. Alright.
So
Ready to
fun.
get started?
I think Max isn't happy though.
It's okay, he's gonna be screaming. Okay, let's go.
Does anybody want to make a toast or say a few words before we get started?
Dad does. Dad does.
Let's light him up. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. I'm gonna warm up real quick, just a little fire, all right? Whoa. I want to give everybody a heads up. It is my first day on the job, all right? Erica did pick me up last minute from Home Depot right now.
Hey, you worked there, Zach.
Oh, you did? No wonder you look familiar. Easy peasy, eggo squeezy. Let's go. Go. 1, 2, 3.
Open it, open it.
2, 3.
Caleb, go. Caleb.
Caleb.
Come on, here, ready? 1, 2.
That's a lot.
No, good.
There's 1, 2, 3. Hold on, I got better.
You can do it.
Celebrity shot, man. Celebrity shot.
Let's go, Abby, ready?
That's fine, man. You might not.
No, that's too far. Abby.
Believe in you.
1, 2, 3.
Too high, bro. Too high.
Let's get actually a good one right here. Let's see.
Yeah, give him a good one. Give him a good piece. I want a good piece.
I'm not even gonna move, okay? I was just gonna
Thicky.
give him a thickie. I don't think I can.
No, big. Small.
Catch me now. Let's get this one right here. Ready? Oh, this is a good one. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Boom.
Another one. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Boom.
My grill is on fire. The roof is on fire. Wait, it really? No, I'm kidding. Happened one time, only one time. All right, let's mix it right here. Extra love.
That's a lot of rice.
That's a lot of love right there. There we go. There we go. Okay. There we go. You ain't done yet. Go ahead and put those down right there. All right, man, you're going to do the grand honor. You ready? All right, boss man, ready? When you click it, got the fire. You ready? Ready? Here we go. When I count to 3, ready? 1, 2, 3. Light them up. Awesome, right? There you go. There you go, brother. And I got a little prize for you, man. Here you go. This is my birthday gift to you, brother. Go and open it up, man.
Okay, ready, bug, quick. All right, Caleb, Patrick, sit. Go right next to each other. Okay, here we go.
What the heck? Actually? What is that, jump ball?
Yeah.
Put your heads together.
Wait. You guys got this. I'll give you $25 each.
Okay.
3, 2.
No, you fumbled.
Okay, Zach and Josh. Zach and Josh. Here we go.
For both. Double.
Don't let him down.
We're ready. We're ready.
Don't let him down, bro. Okay, here we go.
That's a 3 right there.
Oh, it's on. Oh, dude.
No.
I didn't see it. Go inside. We're good. 5 seconds. You dropped it, bro.
There's grass on it.
3, 2, 1.
You almost did.
All right, here we go.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
One more. All right, he's set. There we go. Oh, we got a little fire vortex. Here we go. Ready?
Come on.
Yeah! Yes! He's locked. He's locked in. That's locked in.
Everybody
deep
hold on
breath.
your
Take a
eyebrows.
deep
Ready?
breath.
3, 2, 1.
What's up, guys? Just got hibachi'd.
Forget about a second, I'll be there in no time. Toss the whole bag, turn up the shine, so ready for love. Find out what's next, pictures in mind. On the elevator, soaking up the smooth ride. Toss the whole bag, turn up the shine, so ready for love. So ready for love.
Ready, set, go.
Okay, Mom,
Dark green.
don't use those. Use the
Dark green.
Go, Mom. Quick fire. Pre-fire. Avoid the ones with the heritage.
Wait, those count, right?
No, they're off.
That doesn't count.
Here's the main event.
D1.
Oh my god.
D2. 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 Are you serious? Don't hurt. Don't even need.
You don't need us, Lisa. Just one more. You don't even need us.
Anything you want to say to Clean Man? Oh, look who's here!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear man. Happy birthday to you.
So the categories are legs, this legs, childhood, what if, entertainment, and food.
It's actually pretty easy. Tilt the tires. That's
Did you write it down? Yes. Okay, so you get.
Guys, Fortnite is an island. Mike's 100. Here we go. Okay. Here we go. Ready. Black. White. Beige. Dark brown. Black. White. Beige. Dark brown. What's your answer?
You're talking about times black. Let's see if who's the fastest male. Who is the fastest male?
Let's see what Josh is up to. He's just bubbling lines, okay. You gotta say the camera, fool. Huh? You gotta say. You got nothing to say now, huh? Got nothing to say now, huh?
Okay, give me. You have to give your puzzle pieces. Each one should have two. You have to keep it.
Oh, with each one of the puzzle pieces?
Yeah.